Today, me and him are gonna be making a new video, and we're doing the NTEX Ben10 add-on. So first, we're gonna go and set a day. So here, Tyler, have this, my lovely friend. Please take it out to my lovely, lovely friend. And basically, you just punch, just like you saw, or like left click, and boom, you get the Omnitrix. And does the thing, a screen appear in front of you when you click on the little thing, on the green one?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna go and pick our favorite one, okay? So, you can see a rear image of which one, and pick whichever one you would like to be, okay? Because there's a lot of them. I can't get through all of them with you. So, pick one. Pick one, buddy. Pick one. I'm gonna become this one. So, yeah, this one gives you blindness. I can't see. But, I want to remove the... Can I remove... Actually, see? Yeah, I'm just gonna remove it just for now. So we have the walking animation, super cool. What it looks like in first person. It's like gonna claw your face together or something, maybe. But basically, does it have any powers? Basically, it's cool looking. Look at this. And then it does that when it's about to do that. Look, Tyler, look at this. Look at this. Ooh, you're a ghost, Tyler. Look at that. So, now, look at this, Tyler. Look how cool we look. Don't we look awesome? Look at this.
Yeah.
Come on, you wanna play rough with me? Come on. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're turning invisible when you click on when you shift. I can see your Omnitrix. Oh, Tyler's invisible. Look at
There I
this.
go.
Look at this. Look at this. Look at my little back legs. You can't catch me. I'm gonna eat you. You hit, which is cool. That's cool when you hit. That's cool when you hit. Oh no. He's gone invisible. He's a madman. Okay, now we're human. We're gonna go and pick another one. Don't stop believing. Wait, I did not mean to say that. And snake. Do you really want to mess with me now? Look at me. Fear me. Bow down to the king. Look at this. Oh, it's cool in first person. He does a jab like this. Oh. Oh, you think you're faster than me? Probably am, but still. Think you're better than me? You can just like win like that? Ah,
Can't I walk on water?
can he? Or no?
No.
Oh man. It's still pretty cool though, right? It's like, no, I hate it. It's like, oh, well, that's rude. Come on. There we go. That's cool. I like that one. Let's show everyone a good example of you. Make a good example out of you. Okay, never mind. Or you can just leave, but cool with me. Cool with me. And technically, though, yeah, there we go. It's charged now. Now we're gonna become this person. We're small, but we're mean, okay? Probably, oh no! Run! Run, little one. Run! So some of them are a little the same. Oh gosh, you're gonna kill me. Wait. Oh no. Okay, he'll never get me. He's too dumb to real. Oh gosh, no. Ah, don't use your spikes against me. You're weak. You're weak. Okay. Uh, oh no. No. Okay, we're good. This. Okay, we're trying out this one. Get away from me. You're sick. Oh, he does. Well, oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this. Look how quick that is. Look at this. We look awesome. I like this one a lot. It's super cool looking. I like it. Nice, nice. Run! How do I keep falling into the water? I don't think people like that. Thank you. That's good. Basically, Tyler, show them your next thing. Show them as you're picking your Omnitrix. You're a Steve skin to me, but that's probably okay. Look into my eyes. No, I'm just joking. Okay. Pretty cool looking. Pretty cool. Oh no! Oh no! You're not gonna get me. I'm gonna pick one, and you're gonna be really jealous. That's what wait. No! He has fireball! I choose you, poke. No, I'm joking. In the water. Okay, phew. Okay, swimming away. Oh no! How can you fly? This is not fair. 1 second. What's my cool trick? I saw the. Yeah, I can shoot a laser. You jealous? Oh, it's not working. No, come here. Oh, crap. I can't. Why am I pressing sneak? Come here. Come here. Wait, what?
The lag. The lag.
There, are you creative now?
Yeah.
How? Wait, something. Wait, oh, I did at A. You should be in survival. I It's not working. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Gonna check this out for myself. Pick on Heat Blast. He can't fly. What's going on? Oh, he can. I feel stupid. He's sprinting, kinda. Wait. Oh, he gets poisoned. He doesn't like water. Why? Why? No, I'm joking. It's like I wonder why reactions. Do you like me? I'm like flying. Are you jealous? I know you're jealous. Dude, stop breathing. Stop it. Stop. I'm gonna have to mute you. Gonna have to force mute. Yeah, take this.
Ah!
You don't like that, do you? You're going down in history, buddy. Okay, I don't want this one. Ah, I should not have
I'm
transformed.
burning.
Me too. This one. What am I? I think I'm a wolf. No, that's not a wolf. This is Swimatoad. Actually, I have no clue. Look at that. I can swim if I
Is
want.
Cannonbolt in here?
I don't think there is. No, the Cannonbolt's not. I don't think he added it. Which is sad, because I really wanted to see Cannonbolt. You like Cannonbolt, right? It was your favorite one?
Yeah.
Of course it was. Like, oh gosh.
What does this guy do?
He swims in water. Go to water. Okay, so I'm gonna go to
So he could swim in water forever.
this one. This one's the cool. Wait. Oh, that's what this one does. Yeah, it also have a cool power. It's like a slime block almost. Can I get hurt from this? This is cool. Like a little thing. Da 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 da. Look at this. Spit on that tree like plop plop plop. Wait, I can fly. Oh, that makes sense. I'm a bug, so.
Yeah.
What about mine? It's like no. It's like ow.
Tiny alien man.
Yeah, you
What does
can't.
he do?
Hat, you can't reach me. He's just tiny, and if you sprint, he jumps high. It's just a jump boost. You're jealous you can't fly like me, aren't you? Just
You're
give me.
jealous you can't find me?
You're right there. Your name tag shows it all, Tyler. Don't you think you could run from me? Come back here, you little squirt. Here, I'm gonna slime you. Oh, immune to this, huh? I see, huh? Think you're better than me? It's like, yeah. It's like, oh. Think you can just beat me? No. Oh no. They're water resistant, Tyler. Maybe. Or I think they're just drowning. But guys, that was all we have for the Omnitrix. Hope you guys liked it because this was made by Entech. So go and support him. I'm going to become my favorite, which is... Oh no, Tyler, get away. No, I'm just joking. I have to say Wildmutt's the coolest one, except he's blind, and that's the only thing I don't like about it. Everything else, yeah, it's super cool, and I'm also on fire, which is not cool. I like the legs. I like this one. It's super cool. Look at this. Look how cool I am. I'm like awesome. It's like don't get too over yourself. Like okay. But yeah, guys. Hope you enjoyed this add-on. Please leave a like. He spent a good time on this, and yeah. So see you guys in the next video where I will like claw you. Hey, don't you? Come here, boy. Come here. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? I love that. It's just so cool. And you just died to your own fire. That's really sad. But guys, yeah.
Wow.
Go and leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, so subscribe down below, right there. Right down below, right there. So, bye. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Goodbye.